Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. This is very auspicious day of Rusi Panchami. Rishis of the greatest nation, India, served the world with their knowledge. So, above before all the Rishis. Okay. This is GNEET special session, second lesson, electrostatic potential and capacitance. I will solve one problem and this is for your self practice. Okay, that I will explain you afterwards. Okay, so this is the data. See, this figure is given in as data. Okay, there are three media, K1, K2 and K3, having dielectric constants K1, K2 and K3, filled between two plates of a parallel plate capacitor in such a manner that this area is A by 2, this area is A by 2. Actually it is like this, okay? Parallel plate capacitor, okay? And half of this area, that is A by 2, and below is also A by 2. Okay, so obviously the area of this plate is A. Moreover, the distance between two plates is D, and this is D by 2. They have given all this in data. Okay, now what is asked, that if we replace all these three media, okay, by a single medium having dielectric constant capital K, we have to obtain, say, equation or expression. We can say, right, expression or equation, okay, for K. So first of all, let us draw this figure again in this manner. Okay, this is horizontal, make it vertical so we can understand better. Okay, so this is K1, this is K2, this is K3. Okay, this D by 2, this total is D, so this also will be D by 2. This area is A by 2, so this area is A by 2, this area, that is A. This is the arrangement. Now see, this is first capacitor, that is C1, having capacitance C1. This is another capacitor having capacitance C2. So C1 and C2 are in parallel. Okay? And this third capacitor having capacitance C3 is in series. Okay? See, between these two capacitors, 2 points are common. Okay? If 2 points are common, it is called parallel. Okay? And this is called series because it is in sequence. Okay? So that is C3. So now see, we know that the parallel combination will have equivalent capacitance equals to C1 plus C2. And this is C3. Okay? Suppose the final equivalent capacitance is C. Okay? Then C can be written as K because its dielectric constant is given as K. Okay? Into A epsilon naught upon D. Because the final capacitor will have total area and the distance between two plates will be D, so it will be K into A epsilon naught upon D. What about this C1? See, it is K1 into A by 2 epsilon naught upon D by 2. What about C2? It is again K2 into A by 2 epsilon naught upon D by 2. What about C3? It is K3 A, because it has a total area. Okay, so A into epsilon naught upon D by 2. Putting all the values. Okay, see here, 1 upon C equals to 1 upon C equivalent plus 1 upon C3 in series. Okay, so C equivalent equals to C1 plus C2. Now replacing all the values. Okay, C is 1 upon K epsilon naught upon D. Okay, C1 is this K1 A by 2 epsilon naught upon D by 2. C2 is this K2 A by 2 epsilon naught upon D by 2 plus C3, that is K3 A epsilon naught upon D by 2. Now see here, these two will be cancelled. So it is K1 into A epsilon naught upon D. Here also it will be there. So K2 A epsilon naught upon D. So I have taken A epsilon naught upon D as common. Okay. So this will be K1 plus K2. Now these two will go in numerator because it is denominator of denominator. Okay. So it will be there. So 2K3 into K epsilon naught upon D. A epsilon naught upon D is cancelled. Okay. So 1 upon K will be equal to 1 upon K1 plus K2 plus 1 upon 2K3 taking LCM 2K3 plus K1 plus K2 upon 2 into K1 plus K2 into K3. So making reciprocal of this, it will be K equals to 2 into K1 plus K2 into K3 divided by 2K3 plus K1 plus K2. Okay. Take a screenshot. Now, this is self-practice. Write answer as comment without fit. Because JEE and NEET is for self-practice. Okay. So you must attempt the problems. Okay. Otherwise it is useless. Okay. Everything cannot be taught. The purpose of JEE and NEET and all other entrance exams is how much you can think, that we want to check. Okay. So this is the figure. I have simplified this. Compared to this is simple figure. Okay. There are two media K1 and K2 having dielectric constant K1 and K2. This is A by 2 as shown here, but the total distance between two plates is the given. K1 equals to 4, value is given. K2 equals to 6. Total area is 7.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. The distance as 0.02 millimeter. Find capacitance. Okay. So try by yourself and write in the comment. Bye.